The land of snow. Introduction to polar regions. Regions around the poles are called polar regions. Around the North Pole is the Arctic Ocean, surrounded by Asia, Europe and North America. Around the South Pole is the continent of Antarctica. Greenland. World's largest island, situated near the North Pole. Remains under snow and ice throughout the year. Original inhabitants are the Inuits. Eric the Red explored the island for 3 years and named it Greenland. Inuits call their country Kalalit Nunaat, meaning land of the people. Greenland is a part of Denmark. Location. Located towards the northeast of North America. More than 2/3 of the island is located north of the Arctic Circle. Baffin Bay and the Davis Strait separate Greenland from the northern islands of Canada. Land. Covers an area of about 21.5 lakh square kilometers. About 80% of the land is permanently under snow and ice, making the island look white. Average thickness of the ice sheet is about 1,500 meters. Lower layers of this ice sheet may have existed since the last ice age. Icebergs are huge pieces of ice that break away from ice sheets and slide into the sea. Icebergs look like huge frozen mountains floating in the sea and are often not visible due to thick fog, making them dangerous for ships. The U.S. submarine USS Nautilus sailed under the Arctic ice sheet and reached the North Pole in 1958, proving the huge ice sheet in the Arctic floats on water. Climate. Greenland has an Arctic type of climate. Winters are long and cold, the sun does not rise for several weeks. Temperature drops below freezing point, and it snows heavily with extremely cold and chilly winds. Summer is short and cool, with bright and sunny weather, especially in coastal areas. Even with continuous sunlight for several weeks in summer, it remains very cold. Vegetation. Seeds germinate and plants grow in the summer season. Only plants that grow here are mosses, lichens, grasses, bushes, and some flowers that bloom in spring. There are no forests, and no crops can grow due to the cold climate. Wildlife. Only animals with thick furry coats or those which can withstand extreme cold can survive. Wolf-like dogs called huskies are used for hunting and pulling sledges. Wildlife includes musk ox, seal, whale, white-tailed eagle, and polar bear. Life of the people, Inuits. The Inuits, also called Eskimos, came from North America and settled in Greenland many years ago, adapting to the harsh climate. They are short and stout with flat faces, narrow eyes, and copper yellow skin. They wear clothes made from seal skins, jackets called parkas, with hoods, double trousers, and high boots to keep warm. In winter, they live in dome-shaped snow houses called igloos, constructed with large blocks of ice, with a hole in the dome for smoke and hot air, and floors covered with animal skins and furs. During summers, people live in tents made of animal hide, called tupigs. In recent years, people have started living in modern houses, The Inuits are hardworking, cheerful, and hospitable people. Historically, they lived by hunting, fishing, and gathering roots. Now they can buy goods from other countries. Occupation. Inuits are skilled fishermen and hunters, hunting animals for their meat, skin, and fat. Earlier, they used harpoons, now they use automatic rifles. They use small boats called kayaks to hunt sea animals and broader boats called umeks for whale hunting and transportation. On land, Inuits use sledges. The Inuit lifestyle has changed, now using motorboats and motorized sledges. Many Inuits also work in mines and oil fields, and a large number have migrated to towns and cities. Cities. Thick ice sheets restrict settlements to coastal areas. There are very few large towns in Greenland. Nuuk, Godthåb, is the capital and largest city. Sasimiut and Ilulissat are other big cities. The total population of Greenland is about 56,000. Vocabulary. Ice Age, the time, many years before, when thick ice sheets covered large areas of land. Harpoon, a weapon like a spear with a rope attached to it, used for hunting whales. Quick recap. Greenland is the world's largest island. Nuuk or Godthåb is the capital. It is very cold throughout the year, with not much vegetation. Inuits are the natives of Greenland, who hunt animals and catch fish. People wear clothes and shoes made from animal skin, and live in tents or igloos. The main means of transport on land is the sledge. Umeks and kayaks are used in water.